Hi everyone, my name is Arturo Pineda, the real estate agent here in the beautiful state of California. In this video, we're going to talk about offers. What are they and what do they look like? The offer contains many different documents, but the most important one is one that's called the Residential Purchase Agreement, also known as the RPA. Now, why do I say it's the most important one? Because it's literally the document that contains the offer. If you're a buyer about to sign offers, or you're gonna do so in the future, it's very important that you understand this form so that you know exactly what you're signing. In this form, the buyer is basically going to say what they're going to offer, such as how much money they're gonna pay for the house, the down payment they're bringing in, the initial deposit, what type of loan they're using. And they're also gonna use this form to ask for things such as closing costs, if they want the seller to give them the stove or the fridge and all that good stuff. This document is 10 pages long. It's also used for the small details about the transaction, such as how long it's gonna take, how long for the inspections to happen, and all of that. If you're a buyer watching this video, don't really get stressed out by all the small details, because that's why you have a real estate agent that will help you, guide you, and give you recommendations as to what to offer and what to ask for, so that you have better chances of getting the house that you want. Now, that's really what this form is all about. Like I did mention, there are a lot of other forms that are going to be attached to this document, and I will make sure to make a video on each one of them so you guys have a better understanding of what they are. I hope you guys liked this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you guys have a question, leave it down on the comment, and see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.